2, 1.
Hello, we are Team Inspiro.
Hello, we are the RoboCupJunior team.
Hello, we are CR-DeLorean team. And together we are KPM-Green Future.
About Sustainable Development Goal, SDG number 15, established by the United Nations, it aims to protect, restore and promote the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and halt the loss of biodiversity. This objective is essential for preserving the environment and ensuring the health and well-being of future generations. SDG 15 includes several specific targets that address different aspects of the protection and sustainable management of terrestrial ecosystems.
One of the main reasons we choose this is because how our robots of each team complement the others. Inspire has a big tree, Robot has people that are like citizens, and DeLorean help us with moving back in time.
So this was the main point we noticed, but then we started to think about how concerning it is that hundreds of millions of hectares are destroyed each year in all of our countries. So we started to think about that, and this is why we chose the SDG number 15, Life on Land.
As we both, Rob and Inspiro and DeLorean, came from a country where nature is really important, that's why we choose SDG 15. We think we can contribute for people to be more aware about the deforestation situation and start to take action.
Hello! Initially, our local AI based on large language model with RAG technology and was trained on the story Alice in Wonderland. But for Superteam challenge, we retrained our local AI and now it can answer questions according to our script. Tell me.
You people did that, and only you can decide what to do, all together. You are a smart person, think what can you do?
To opt for a sustainable path, we chose not to add anything new, except for a tree made from recycled cardboard that will play a fundamental role in the story. To make this performance, we had some technical problems, such as damaged components, software incompatibility, sensor problems, and inefficient control algorithms.
We learned from the DeLorean team how we can use object detection in different way to recognize other objects and how to use other alternative boards for technical details. And we learned from the Portugal team how to combine a robot show and history. And thanks to them, we learned more about their country.
Our team learned a lot about the different cultures, and we were really amused about the amazing project and the effort they put on it.
I learned a lot about the customs of Pakistan and Mexico, which we are part of my team. This event was important because I discovered new programming and make friends along the way.